So, have you ever wondered what are mutual funds? Mutual funds are professionally managed investment portfolios made out of stocks, bonds, and other asset classes, each with defined objectives. When you invest, your money is pooled with other investors and managed by professional experts on your behalf. So, there are four main types of mutual funds. First up, you have money market funds, which are low risk and ideal for short-term goals. You have fixed income funds, which invest in bonds for predictable income. We have balanced funds, which are a mix of both equities and fixed income, great for moderate growth. And finally, we have equity funds, which invest in stocks for higher growth potential with a little bit more volatility. Understanding these options allows you to pick the right investments for your goals and risk tolerance.